Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and please excuse the background noise, I'm sorry about that. So today I'm going to show you how I created these cute little bear ribbon clips. They're little hair clips, they have a clip on the back, but I used ribbon and a bear that I got from AC Moore that was like 60 cents or something like that, but I made a black bear with white ribbon and white bear with a black ribbon, and I really like them. I think they're really cute. So here we go. Alrighty, so to create this project, you're going to need some hair clips of any kind you'd like. I got these at Walmart. It was like a pack of like 30 for like $5 or something like that. Pretty good, and I'm like obsessed with these little things now. I've been making all sorts of like hair clips and stuff, but today I'm going to be using these little bears and then some ribbon. Now, of course, you can use whatever you want, any kind of like charm or gem or whatever you'd like. I'm just going to be using these bears and some ribbon. So simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the black ribbon for the white bear. So I'm going to make a bow with the ribbon still attached to the strand, just so I can tell, you know, how big I want them or if I need any more or anything like that. So that looks pretty good. And I'm just going to cut, actually just kidding. See, this is why you keep it on. Make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, there you go, I like that. And then cut the other one. Then I'm going to take some hot glue and I'm going to put it on this piece right here, the piece that is raised. I'm just going to put some hot glue onto that. And then I'm going to take my little ribbon bow and I'm just going to place it right on there. And I'm just going to carefully hold it there for a little while so it can dry. And then I'm going to place some hot glue in the middle of the bow, kind of like right here. And I'm going to put the bear on, right like that. All right, and then just let that dry. And while that's drying, I'm going to make the other one. I'm going to take the white ribbon for the black bear and again make a bow. I can kind of eyeball it, try and make it the exact same size as the black one, but it's basically the same thing. Right, and then again, once you made the bow, you're just going to take some hot glue, put it on the hair clip, and then glue the ribbon bow right onto there. Right, and then I'm going to take the hot glue, put a little bit in the middle of the bow, and then take the bear and glue it right on there. Okay, and then you're just going to let them sit to dry for a little bit, and then after they're dry, you're good to go. You can wear them. So that is how I created the little bear bows. I think they turned out really cute and I'm really happy with them, and since the colors that I chose with black and white, they'll pretty much match anything. Now there are other bears at AC Moore that I saw that there are like tons of colors, so you could do a whole bunch of different colors, maybe do like, you know, a green bear with red ribbon, make it like Christmas themed, or like, you know, black and on orange or orange and purple, you know what I mean? Just, you know, have fun with it. You could really do a whole bunch with this. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!